Legalizing child abuse or protecting parents' rights?
Those are the arguments for and against a bill Missouri lawmakers are proposing. Tonight, 41 Action News reporter Shannon Halligan examined both sides of the legislation.
8-year-old Jackson Adams struggled to gain weight for more than a year.
We got nowhere. He didn't gain any weight at all, and that was our biggest frustration, is we had an 8-year-old little boy who weighed 40 pounds, and where we were at, nothing they did was working.
When Tiffany and Jason Adams decided to get a second opinion, they say doctors at Children's Mercy Hospital took Jackson away.
You can just make a call as a medical professional, and boom, the next day your kids are removed from you without any type of due process of law or any investigation.
The Adams were accused of having Munchausen by proxy syndrome, or medical child abuse. That was 6 months ago. Since then, the family and their lawyer testified in support of a bill that aims to protect a parent's rights to seek a second opinion.
There is far too much power in this process and far too little oversight. And that's exactly what I said when we went and testified for House Bill 217.
It's also known as Isaiah's Law, after another child removed from his mother's care. The bill would protect a guardian from charges of abuse or neglect if they seek another opinion. Opponents, though, say there are major issues with this piece of legislation.
The idea of a bill that would limit the rights of a medical professional to call the state when they think abuse is occurring is horrendous.
Martha Gershon, executive director of Jackson County CASA, helps abused and neglected children. She points out that this bill requires parents to see a licensed health provider, but not necessarily the right one.
That means a parent could take a child to a psychiatrist and follow their recommendations for their metastatic cancer, and no one in a hospital could hotline that parent for medical abuse. That's not okay.
Jackson's parents get a supervised visit with him once a week for about 2 hours. Children's Mercy Hospital tells 41 Action News that they can't comment because of patient confidentiality laws, but that their priority is the health, safety, and well-being of all children. Jadian.
Well, Missouri Representative Ken Wilson introduced that bill. His office says he's working to adjust the language to address some of those concerns.